Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to use Pen tool in Figma. To create and edit vector shapes in Figma by adding and removing anchor points and handles to create curves. The Pen tool shortcut key is P, and you'll see its icon in the toolbar. Click on the Pen tool and click anywhere on the canvas to create an anchor point. After creating the first anchor point, a new vector layer is created. Click to add more anchor points and create the path for a shape. To close the shape, click back on the original anchor point. You'll see a little O on the Pen tool cursor indicating you're closing the shape. Hit Done in the upper left to finalize the shape. You can add a stroke and a fill to the shape. Increase the stroke size to see the stroke and add a fill color for the shape. Double-click on the shape to enter shape editing mode. Click on the paths between anchor points to move them, or click and drag to select multiple anchor points and move them together. To add an anchor point, hover over the line between 2 points and click. To remove an anchor point, hold Alt on PC, then click on the anchor point. To add handles, switch to the Pen tool P. Hold Ctrl on PC to see the handles icon. Click and drag on an anchor point to pull out handles. Shorter handles create less curve, while longer handles create more curve. That's how you create and edit vector shapes in Figma using anchor points and handles. Thanks for watching. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.